everyone, welcome to Tomamix, where science comes alive.
Today we're going to do something amazing. We're going to generate electricity for ordinary things.
Look at this. Lemons, potatoes, coins, magnets, all these things can create electricity.
Electricity from a potato? That sounds like magic.
Not magic, science. And the best part, you can try all of these at home, safely with adult supervision.
Hi everyone, I'm Leo and I love science. Adam said I could help today.
That's right. Leo is going to help us test these experiments. If he can do them, you can do them.
Team Atomics, ready for action.
5 experiments today. 5 ways to make electricity. Let's get started with experiment number 1. Did you know a lemon can power a light? Let's find out how. We need a lemon, copper strip, zinc strip, and wires with alligator clips.
Copper and zinc? Like the metals? Exactly, Leo. These metals create electricity.
Copper strip goes into one side of the lemon. Zinc strip goes into the other side. Important, they should not touch inside the lemon.
Exactly. The acid in lemon reacts with the metals. That creates electrons. It works! The lemon made light! Yes! Electricity from a lemon! That's the power of chemistry!
Here's the science. The acid in lemon juice reacts with the metals. Zinc loses electrons. Copper gains electrons. The flow of electrons between them is electricity.
So the lemon is like a battery?
Exactly. This is called an electrochemical cell. 1 lemon, 1 battery. Want to see more power?
What happens if we use more lemons?
When we connect them in series, voltage adds up.
4 lemons connected. Let's test the voltage. .6 volts. Much more than 1 lemon.
It's so bright now.
More lemons, more power. You could run a small clock or calculator with this.
Now let's try potatoes. Can they really power a clock?
Copper in this one.
Zinc in this one.
The potato made the clock work. Wait till I tell my friends.
Potatoes have phosphoric acid. Same principle as lemon. Experiment 2 complete. Experiment 3, the coin battery. This is one of my favorites.
Why vinegar?
Vinegar is acid, acts as electrolyte, like lemon juice, helps electrons flow. Copper, cardboard. Zinc. Copper, cardboard. Zinc.
It's like a tower.
Each layer is 1 cell. More layers, more voltage.
Yes, look at it.
4.5 volts. That's enough for multiple LEDs.
2 lights from coins? Amazing.
This is exactly how real batteries work. Different metals, electrolyte vinegar, and electron flow. You just made a battery from pocket change.
Experiment 4, static electricity. No batteries, no wires.
My hair, it's floating. The balloon steals electrons from Leo's hair. Now it's negatively charged. Opposite charges attract. Experiment 5, the electromagnetic generator. This is how power plants create electricity for entire cities. Experiment 5, the electromagnetic generator. This is how power plants create electricity for entire cities. I made this coil 200 turns APA wire connected to this LED. Did you see that? Moving magnet creates electricity. This is called electromagnetic induction. Moving magnet creates electricity. This is called electromagnetic induction. 5 experiments, 5 ways to make electricity, and you can do them all at home.
5 times every week.
See you next time, scientists.